You wake up with a heavy chest, paralyzed by the feeling that nothing actually matters. But I found a 5,000-year-old tactical solution that kills this 3 a.m. dread and turns your life into a high-stakes mission. Right now, you are stuck in survival mode. You try to fix that empty feeling with modern hustle culture. You buy the daily planners. You watch the morning routines. But then, you look at the world. Your brain just shuts down. Why build a good life if we all just die anyway? You feel pointless. So, you give up. You sink into endless doom scrolling. It numbs the static in your head. Listen to me right now. It is not your fault. This modern advice fails. Mainstream self-help treats you like a broken machine. It just tells you to lower your screen time. It tells you to drink more water. But habits mean zero when your mind is infected. You have a mental virus. The virus says the game ends. So why play? You pre-crash your own life just because the runtime has a limit. Over 5,000 years ago, a warrior froze on a battlefield. His name was Arjuna. He felt exactly what you feel today. Severe burnout, pure exhaustion, total brain fog. He looked at the fight ahead. He wanted to drop his weapons and quit. Then, Lord Krishna gave him a brutal truth, an ancient cheat code. It is called Hanyate. It means the indestructible core. Let me explain this to you, like we are sharing a black coffee. Right now, you treat your life like a low-stakes test run. You act like a beta version. You think the server shuts down eventually. So nothing you do actually matters. You are reading the error code completely wrong. Here is the truth. The player behind the screen is eternal. But this specific game instance, this body you have right now, this is your active duty. Here is your clear if-then rule. If this is your only time playing this exact level, then you must play it with maximum intensity. You are not a replaceable trial version. You are a live, single-instance deployment. Yes, the body dies, the game ends. But that terminal death message is just a simple log line. The core player is never destroyed. You do not quit the game just because the timer is ticking. You lock in. You play harder. It is time to break your toxic loops. Here is your 24-hour protocol. Today, you will write your own death commit log. I want a brutally honest 5-sentence eulogy. Absolutely no polite filler. Do not write that you were a nice person. What cold, hard operations did you actually execute? What did you build? What fear did you crush? If the server shuts down tomorrow morning, what does your final log say? Write it down. Then, look at your next 24 hours. Pick one single physical action. Just one action that proves those 5 sentences are real. Execute that action today. Do it as if your entire history depends on that single move. This is not about motivation. This is about building cold, hard evidence. Stop treating today like a practice run. This is it. You only get one shot at being this exact version of you. Leave your mark on the server. Subscribe to the channel. Let's install the next protocol.